The new Right-of-Way Utility and Leasing Information System, or RULIS, is coming in 2023. The first release of this new tool will replace the Utility Installation Review System, or UIR. It will allow utility permit owners and their consultants to complete and submit a utility permit application to TxDOT for review. This first release will also allow TxDOT and its partners to manage leases for saltwater pipelines and real property. And that's just the beginning. Later releases will include functionality for subsurface utility engineering, utility conflict management, agreements, reimbursements, as-built plans, and the sale of surplus property. The deployment of RULIS represents another leap forward for TxDOT as we continue to modernize our systems and processes. RULIS offers a wealth of new benefits, including map visualization of work boundary and facility locations, guided navigation through the application process, referencing existing projects and utilities in TxDOT Connect, system validations that prevent errors, and a dashboard to track the status of your submission. The utilities and real estate services teams at TxDOT are committed to supporting all our partners as they use RULIS to manage utility permit and lease applications. We'll provide a variety of training opportunities, including job aids, e-learning modules, access to recorded trainings, and instructor-led training. Like what you heard? Want to learn more? Check out our RULIS website on TxDOT.gov or reach out to us at the Row Applications Help Desk. Thanks for watching.